DJI is the market leader in the drone world, with drones suitable for absolute beginners to high-end professionals and everyone in between. Known for ease of use and excellent performance, features, and camera functionality, you're likely to find the drone for you in this guide. There are many products available to choose best DJI drones, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. The best DJI drone for FPV flying. We were already big fans of the DJI Avata, and the second edition only cements its place as the best FPV drone you can buy. In testing, we found it remarkably intuitive to fly, even for beginners. Safety features, such as a panic button which slows the drone to a hover, offer extra reassurance for learners. We found the updated Motion Controller 3 simple to use, although more experienced pilots should consider the Remote Controller 3 for manual flight. Our tests revealed that image quality has received a major upgrade, courtesy of an improved 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. The 4K/60p footage we shot offered greater detail and much better dynamic range than the first-gen Avata. Video streamed to the upgraded DJI Goggles 3 was sharp as well, and thanks to a more aerodynamic profile, the Avata 2 can fly for longer, with 23 minutes of flight time per charge, extending the sense of immersion. Considering that the Avata 2 ships with everything you need to fly, we think it offers a fantastic value route into the world of FPV. Number 4. DJI Air 3S, the best all-rounder drone in DJI's lineup. The Air 3 was already our favorite DJI drone for enthusiasts. The DJI Air 3S takes the same two-camera recipe and makes a couple of improvements to become an even more compelling all-rounder. Physically, it's virtually identical to the Air 3. So too is the generous 45-minute battery life. What's new is a larger 1-inch sensor for the wide-angle camera. It also became the first DJI drone to benefit from LiDAR for the front-facing collision sensors. The result is a 4K drone with all the versatility of the Air 3, including automated flight modes, subject tracking, and support for HLG and D-Log-M color profiles. With the added bonus of improved low-light performance, in our review we found that the larger sensor boosted the quality of footage in dim conditions, while the upgraded omnidirectional obstacle avoidance setup offered additional reassurance at dusk. If you're a seasoned pilot who wants the flexibility to fly and shoot in all conditions, we think the Air 3S is a stellar choice. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The best DJI drone for aerial photography. DJI's new flagship is the first consumer drone with 3 cameras. This is 2 more than most pilots need. But if you're an aerial photographer or videographer in search of the most versatile drone on the market, the results of our testing suggest the Mavic 3 Pro is the premium pick for you. In our review, we found the image quality of the main 24mm 4/3 camera, the same one used by the Mavic 3 Classic, the best. It's also the winner in terms of adjustable aperture, formats, and frame rates. That said, both telephoto cameras produce excellent images, and the option to zoom in 3x and 7x is fantastically useful in a range of scenarios. Despite being a pro drone, we found the Mavic 3 Pro incredibly easy to fly, aided by excellent safety features that make it accessible to all users. However, its pro-tier video modes, as well as its price tag, make it overkill for beginners. Its weight also puts it into the restrictive C2 European drone category. Number 2. DJI Mini 4K, the best value DJI drone for beginners. With a solid set of in-flight features as well as reliable 4K video quality, we think the Mini 4K is the best sub-250G DJI drone for beginners. It's the cheapest mini-series drone you can buy, yet our tests found very few compromises. It benefits from decent wind resistance and generous flight times of up to 31 minutes. We also found it easy to pilot via the DJI Fly app, with a range of dynamic flight moves just a tap away. As with the Mini 3, you don't get the obstacle avoidance sensors or subject tracking smarts of more expensive DJI drones. If those are a must, you'll need to shell out for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. But in every other respect, the DJI Mini 4K offers excellent value. Thanks to its 3x mechanical gimbal, we found that 4K footage from the Mini 4K smooth and sharp, beating similarly priced rivals. We also welcomed the versatility of 2x digital zoom. You won't find a better DJI drone for the money. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The best sub-250G DJI drone, the DJI Mini 4 Pro builds on the qualities of the Mini 3 Pro to become the new benchmark for what sub-250G drones can deliver. It isn't a radical upgrade. It looks remarkably similar, performs pretty much identically in flight, and even uses the same impressive 1/1.3-inch sensor. If you're already a Mini 3 Pro owner, the question is whether you should upgrade, a question we've tried to answer in our dedicated DJI Mini 4 Pro vs Mini 3 Pro article. The Mini 3 Pro remains a fantastic drone, and many of the camera upgrades could realistically have been delivered as firmware updates. For everyone else, the Mini 4 Pro is an excellent choice. Whether you're a professional drone pilot using the Mini 4 Pro as a second drone who can benefit from the D-Log-M video color consistency with your Mavic 3, or an enthusiast looking for something small and lightweight, the Mini 4 Pro is undoubtedly the best sub-250G drone available. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.